Welcome to Seller 365 Pro. In this video, we'll walk through how you can activate your 0% commission reimbursement service so that you can start recovering your lost FBA reimbursement fees. From your Seller 365 dashboard, scroll down and click Get Started for the reimbursement fees. You'll be prompted to connect your Amazon Seller Central account via API. Click Connect for each region where you sell. A new tab will open for each connection. Authorize the connection and confirm. The page will close automatically once access is granted, but if the connection fails, you'll receive an error message and have to try again. Once at least one region is connected, the next button becomes available. Click it to proceed. Now it's time to add us as an authorized partner. Click the link to open Seller Central. Go to Settings, then User Permissions. Select Authorized Partners, then click Add Authorized Partner. A pop-up will appear with a one-time invitation link. Click that link, paste it into the field on the current screen, and click Next. While we process your invitation, we'll show a summary of the reimbursement types supported. If everything works as expected, you'll be taken to the next screen, but if not, you'll see a timeout message and you can retry later. Next, approve the invitation and set permissions. Go to Seller Central, navigate to Open Invitations, and look for either 3Colts or DimeTyd. Click Accept Invitation. A new window will open where you can set user permissions. Be sure to give the required access, then click Save Changes. Once that's done, you can return to your platform and see reimbursements have been activated. You'll also see which regions are currently connected, and you can add more from time to time. And if you decide to leave the process partway through, you can click Resume Process by going to your dashboard at any time. Your Seller 365 reimbursement service is now active and your claims process is on the way. Thank you very much for watching.